Okay, some of you have asked about naming when it comes to something like silver or zinc or cadmium. And I told you when it comes to naming something like silver or zinc or cadmium, that those don't use Roman numerals in their naming of those compounds. And that's because when those silver, zinc, or cadmium become ions, they have a fixed charge. Let's go over here. Let's look at the group 1 elements. Hydrogen, when it becomes an ion, is a +1 charge. Lithium, when it becomes an ion, is a +1 charge. And that's true for all of these down here. Beryllium, when it becomes an ion, is a +2 charge. Magnesium, when it's an ion, is a +2 charge. And that's true all the way down. Aluminum, when it's an ion, is +3. Gallium typically is seen as being +3. Okay. Fluorine, when it's an ion, is -1. Chlorine's -1. Bromine's -1. Iodine's -1. Oxygen -2. Sulfur -2. Nitrogen -3. Phosphorus -3. Whenever you name binary ionic compounds between those, you don't need to use Roman numerals because you know what the charges of those compounds are. Same thing when you name these guys, you don't use Roman numerals because you know their ion charges. So if you have something like ZnCl2, that's just zinc, chloride, that's supposed to be CHLORID. Didn't spell it out very well here. Didn't write it out very well here. You know that the zinc is a +2 charge. That's made out of zinc, 2+, and 2 Cl minuses. Same thing for cadmium, and silver is a +1. Okay. The rule is when you are naming compounds whose metal, the cation, has a fixed charge of only 1 charge, you don't need Roman numerals for it. If you are naming a compound whose cation can have multiple charges, titanium can be +1 or +2 or +3 or +4. So if you were to just say in the name titanium oxide, you don't know the unique compound formula for that, because if it's titanium 1 oxide or titanium 2 oxide or titanium 3 or titanium 4 oxide, you're going to have different formulas. Okay. So for the elements that have multiple possible charges, a lot of these are common here, you need Roman numerals for those. So if this was titanium with a +4 and oxide, that would be Ti with a +4 charge. Oxide is a -2. So the formula for that would be TiO2, because you've got Ti 4+. So you'll need 2 of the 2 minuses to balance it out. And the name for that would be titanium, Roman numeral 4, oxide. And the Roman numeral 4 would correspond to the charge of +4 on the ion. That Roman numeral 4 corresponds to that. Okay. I hope that helps answer those questions. And, I'm happy to do more if you ask.